what is up? My name is Hayley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video I have an unboxing. It's technically an undust bagging to show you what's inside of this dust bag right here. And it did come in a box, but the box included a whole bunch of different items, and so it would look very awkward of me unboxing this bag when the box is seriously like this huge and this was just a tiny thing inside. But I wanted to give this bag its own video because in my opinion, it's very special. It's a mid-tier contemporary luxury or designer brand. I know some people are very picky with what they name or how they tier luxury and designers. I'm not that anal about things. In my opinion, this is a mid-level contemporary designer brand. A.P.C. That's what we're talking about today. And so with that being said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below in the comment section if you like this bag, if you've heard of this bag, if you've heard of this brand, and what you think about what I picked up. And so yeah, with that being said, let's get right into this dust bagging. So I got this from 24S. I'm going to give you a little tiny backstory. I know y'all hate my rambling, my talking, but it's just who I am and you're going to have to deal with it. And you're more than welcome to skip. I usually put chapters down below for you guys to skip if you don't like this part of the video. Got this from 24S. I purchased a lot of other things from 24S. I think I even uploaded a video, me talking about all my little Birkenstocks, y'all. That was part of the, how do you say, order as well. So the box was huge. And they had a Valentine's Day sale. I don't know if it's still running or not, where you got 25% off, 10% off, 20% off. Don't know what the amount was, but this bag and a lot of the bags from A.P.C were included. There were a lot of other name brand designer branded items included in the sale, but this bag has been on my list for a while. And I think I've even made a YouTube video talking about, you know, more affordable options for particular luxury and designer brands. And this bag was one of them. And so I saw a color that I always say, if you give me this color, if you show me a bag in this color, it's not pink. It's like the next color behind pink that I love. And I said, if you give me or show me a bag in this color, I'm most likely going to buy it. And so I did like the neutrals that they offered. This is, in my opinion, still a neutral, but not really, not a conventional or traditional neutral. I did like the blacks and the browns and all of that good stuff, but when I saw this, I was like, this is so freaking special. This is the bag that I got from A.P.C. I don't know if you guys can read this little tag right here, but it basically says what it is. It is the Grace Mini in the color Ocean, y'all. And I haven't opened it yet. This is literally me seeing it for the first time with y'all, and it's so freaking cute. I have a problem, y'all. I don't need any more bags. I really don't need any more bags, but I told myself, Hayley, you've talked about really liking this bag. You love this color. It's not crazy expensive, so does it hurt? It does hurt. It does hurt. It's still a purchase. It's money coming out of my bank account. So yes, it doesn't hurt as much as a Louis Vuitton. It's packaged so perfectly and I don't want to rip anything or break anything, but I guess that's the only way to open it up. So bear with me, you guys. I want to make it pretty so you can see it as well. Oh no, it's taped. The tape is taping. The tape is doing what it's supposed to do. Oh no, I think I need scissors. Oh no, I'm She-Hulk. When I saw this color, I was like, I'm buying it. I didn't even second guess. Very impulsive purchase, not going to lie, but this is such a freaking beautiful color. And I was like, oh yes, please. And so this is what the interior looks like. I have never purchased from this brand before, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of times I don't remember some of the things that I've purchased before, so maybe I have purchased this bag, but I don't recall. But I have said over and over again on my YouTube channel that I love this bag. Do I think that the small is maybe a little bit more practical? I keep opening and closing it, you guys. It's just because I really like the open closure thing right here. I think it's really cool. It's like a, just like a clasp, but it's different. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a little hole there, and then you just press that into the hole and it just pops open. Very nice. The small might be a little bit more practical due to the size, but this fits everything that you need to fit inside. Wait, I'm gonna get my phone because it fell down. My phone actually fits in here. So I have the iPhone 13 Pro, I believe, and it fits perfectly in there. And then my card holder, wherever that may be, would also fit in there. I have my Beats, I have a little flashlight, and that all fits inside, and I still have a lot of room. So what I need for daily essentials, this bag is perfect. For other people, you know, if you carry everything under the kitchen sink, this bag probably isn't for you, but it's perfect for me. Fits everything that I need. Is it going to fit as much as my Neverfull? No. As you can see, the bag is a fraction of the size. Will it fit everything that my Gucci Dionysus can fit? Yes, most likely. Is it a fraction of the price? Yes, most likely. I don't know what it is about this bag. I think it's because it's such a traditional, simple, classic silhouette that every luxury brand has, that you really can't go wrong. This is a stereotypical crossbody box bag, and it's in a fun, different color. I know that Saint Laurent has a bag like this. I know Celine has a bag like this. This reminds me a little bit of the Hermes Constance in some way, shape, or form capacity, but there are so many like really high-end, top-tier designer luxury names out there that have very similar bags to this. And I just think that the quality of this bag, and especially the price that I got it at, it's a no-brainer. Since it's so classic, since it's such a traditional bag, it's not going to go out of style, and I don't feel bad making an impulsive purchase on something like this because I know it's going to go very far with me. But I think I'm going to make this the end of the video because I don't really have too much to say. It was just me unboxing the bag, showing you the bag, all of that good stuff. This is the price, y'all. Me personally, I'm a crazy bag lady. I think it's worth the money. I personally like it. That's why I purchased it. I love APC and the Graces. There are other bags that they offer as well, but this is my favorite bag that they offer. And I recommend this time and time again. I have on my channel before. I love this bag. And so I'm very happy about this color. I think it's freaking beautiful, and I'm so excited to be able to wear it. And so yeah, I will make a video, more in-depth review, trying it on, showing what fits inside, all of that good stuff. But for now, I just wanted to show you it out of the box to show you what it looks like, because I also still have to get used to the bag and how to loosen the straps and all of that good stuff. So yeah, there she is. I love her so much. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love y'all. I'll see you in my next video. I think my next video is going to hopefully be not an unboxing, a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Or if the giveaway has already gone live, then check down below in my videos for giveaway. You can search for giveaway because I'm gonna put it in the title, and y'all need to go take part in the giveaway so you can win a bag. Okay? Love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye.